Welcome home cooks to the Aspiring Lady Chef channel. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe now and click the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any exclusive recipes. Therefore, the dish that I'm going to make is Hong Kong spice brunch noodles, and it is one of my favorite cuisines, Chinese cuisine, but second best because my first best is Filipino cuisine. So, are you ready? Let's do it right now, home cooks! Here are the ingredients to make the homemade chili oil. We have to do this first because it is important to make the dish savory, peppery, and spicy. If we are done, we can proceed to all the ingredients to make this delectable noodle dish. The first step is to use chili flakes or dried Chinese chili peppers, and I will show you the examples in this video. Second ingredient is minced garlic for added aroma and taste. The third ingredient is garlic skin. The fourth ingredient is vegetable oil for the base of the chili oil. To make this, first, add the oil to the small saucepan. Next, set the fire on medium-high setting. While waiting, add the rest of the ingredients in a bowl of chili flakes. Next, add the sizzling hot oil onto the chili flakes bowl. Leave it until it has cooled down. Then, we can proceed to the noodle dish. So home cooks, here are the final ingredients to make the Hong Kong spiced brunch noodles. And for the full recipe, it is located in the description down below. The two ingredients that gives protein are eggs and chicken. Next are onion chives and ginger. We will use these to add flavor to the noodles. Next, we are back to onion chives for garnish and flavor. We need ginger to eliminate the musty smell of the chicken, but it also adds flavor. Next is fennel seeds. The sixth ingredient is the used up chili flakes from the chili oil, or you can use the fresh one. Okay, home cooks, next right up is our homemade chili oil. Very spicy and delicious. Delicioso! To make the dish very tasty, use sesame seed oil. Next is a 1:1 ratio of dark soy sauce and Chinese light soy sauce. Okay, home cooks, last but not the least, it is important from all the dish, the miswa noodles. This is wheat rice noodles commonly used at Fujian, China. The first step is to add water to a small saucepan. While waiting, add the aromatics, the onion chives and ginger. Then, cover the small saucepan and leave it until it boils rapidly. It's time to add the noodles right now. Make sure that the noodles are fully submerged in the boiling water. To know if the noodles are fully cooked, taste them, and if they are soft, it's done. The next step is to strain the miswa noodles and place it in a large bowl. Here is our white, radiant miswa noodles. Delicioso! The next step is to add sesame seed oil so that the noodles wouldn't stick. So home cooks, mix them up all together until the noodles are well coated in that beautiful oil. Then, set this aside. Next right up is to heat up the pan at medium-high setting and add plain oil so that nothing would stick on the pan. Then, let's cook the eggs in a sunny side up form. Cook this for 3 to 5 minutes until the egg whites are fully set but the yolks are runny. Next, add only a pinch of salt because we will use soy sauce later. Since the oil is hot, add some of the onion chives. Next is thin slices of ginger. Next, place the chicken breast on the pan. The cooking time for the chicken breast would take 13 to 15 minutes. But for those who have a larger size, you have to cook it longer. To make the chicken skin very crispy and golden brown, you have to cook it in a high heat.
You're like a blessing. Oh, I wasn't waiting for you, wasn't waiting for you. Yeah, I was just wasting all my time living without you, time living without you, yeah.
So home cooks, this is the result that I want you to have. Make sure to cook the chicken breast on both sides. When the chicken breasts are done, place it on a chopping board and we have to slice them. Since chicken breasts are very lean, you have to cut them by 2 inches or 2.5 inches. So, here are the chicken breasts. Congratulations, home cooks! It is time to finish the whole dish. And now we will add the rest of the ingredients for the noodles. So home cooks, let's add the ingredients right now. Next, it will look like this, but it's not yet done. We have to mix them all together. So let's do this right now. So right now, we have all the main ingredients and garnishes. And what we have to do is to watch how I plated this. I present to you my Hong Kong spiced brunch noodles. And we know what home cooks love to do. It's turning up the music!
There's no easy way to say it, babe. It's gonna hurt you no matter what. I've been trying to find a way. It's been better without me.